Just under 2.5 million people died in the United States in 2006. Out of those people, almost half died because of diseases and medical conditions that embryonic stem cells could have stopped. Using stem cells, we could have saved almost half the people that died that year. These medical conditions include heart disease, stroke, diabetes, Alzheimer's, and Parkinson's. And that's just the tip of the iceberg of diseases that embryonic stem cells could prevent. These diverse stem cells have the ability to cure several previously incurable diseases. Every single embryonic stem cell is an embryo that has been fertilized in an in vitro fertilization clinic and donated to research with the consent of its donor. If we don't use these embryos, they will be thrown away anyway, so why not use them for something that could save hundreds of thousands of lives each year? Opposition to embryonic stem cells state that it isn't fair to exploit any human, no matter how small. This position is completely false because these embryos are utilized 4 to 5 days after fertilization. Before 14 days, scientists say embryos have no tissue, organs, or specialized cells, thus making them not human. Plus, embryos only have the potential for life, as they cannot survive outside the womb. If I put a human embryo and a shrimp embryo in front of you before 14 days, these two embryos would look identical. We need embryonic stem cells immediately. With almost 900,000 people back in our workforce each year, our country can't afford to waste this opportunity. And that's just the economy. If embryonic stem cells are pushed forth and research is practiced abroad, there is nothing to stop us from finding cures from AIDS to cancer. Americans have voiced their opinion as well. In a study of 2,697 adults nationwide, only 19% of adults opposed using embryonic stem cells. Even some religious leaders are taking the step to stem cells, like John Danforth. He had this to say: "My entire political career, I voted pro-life, and that is why I favor the stem cell initiative. I believe in saving human life. I want cures to be found."